Hey guys, what's up? Jason from Intricate here at World Headquarters. Just want to give you guys a quick tip. Don't know how many of you saw the video where we poured a 138-yard parking lot. The ground was hard, so we had to use some re-rod pins for grade stakes. A little trick we like to use is we take these foam pool noodles, we cut them to whatever height we need, within an inch or two. And what we do is we put those over top of our re-rod. So it makes it a lot easier for the truck drivers to see them when they pull in so they don't run them over. Makes it a lot easier for us to find them during the pour. The pool noodles are reusable. They're super cheap. Get them in any color you want. You can cut them to whatever size you want. And it just makes everything a lot easier during a pour. Keeps the trucks from running over them. Makes it easier for us to find. And it's just a good little tip that works good for us. So I hope that helps you guys, and if it does, give us a like, give us a comment, give us a subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks, guys.